I'm going to tell you about how to run a JUnit test and after creating a JUnit test case. We will create a new project, new Java project. I'm using Eclipse IDE here. Let's name the project name as JUnit test project. Let's create a package under JUnit test project. Let's name the JUnit package as com.junit.sample test. So let's now create a class which will be tested later using JUnit test. Let's name the class as class2test. So I have already written code for this class2test. So I will just copy and paste it. It's a simple program. Now we will create another class where we actually write the test case to test the class2test class. I have already written code for this too, so I'm copy pasting it. So now you can see there are many errors here. That's because I have used JUnit classes, but I didn't add the JUnit jar file yet. So now I will add JUnit jar file. Go to build path, configure build path. Under libraries, add external jars, add the JUnit 4.10 jar file. Now apply. Okay. So now you can see all the errors are disappeared. Now I will show you how to download this JUnit 4.10. Go to JUnit.org, download and install JUnit.jar. So you can see 4.10. You can download the jar file here. I will tell you later why I downloaded 4.10 instead of 4.12, which is the latest jar file. So now you can see there is annotation @test. So I will tell you the importance of this annotation. So if with @test, you can see you got a option run as JUnit, but without it you don't see as run as JUnit test. This @test is present. Annotation is supported by the JUnit.test class. Now you can see JUnit test. So when I run, there are no errors. So the test is successful. So here you can see the output of a.countof is same as 9. That's why the test is successful. So I have told you why I have downloaded JUnit 4.10 instead of JUnit 4.12. I will discuss this now. So JUnit 4.10 needs a single jar file to execute the JUnit test, but with JUnit 4.12 you need two jar files. One is JUnit.jar, another one is hamcrustcore.jar. I will show you. Go to JUnit.org, download and install. So now here you can see there are two jar files, JUnit.jar and hamcrustcore.jar. Both of these files are needed in JUnit 4.12 to run successfully JUnit test. So now I will show you what will happen if we run with 4.10 jar file and 4.12 jar file without ham crushed core. So with 4.10, when you run, so this test is successful without ham crushed core file. Now I will remove 4.10 and I will add 4.12 jar file and run the same test again. So I have added JUnit 4.12. Apply. OK. So running the test class. Run as JUnit test. So now you got an initialization error. So to prevent this error, you have to add the ham crushed core.jar file. So as I have downloaded it already, I am just adding it from my system. So I am adding ham crushed core.jar file. 1.3 is its latest version. And now I will run the test class. So you can see now the test is successful. So that's the difference between JUnit 4.10 and JUnit 4.12. Now I will show you how to download them. So go to JUnit.org, download and install. Now you can see JUnit.jar and hamcrushcore.jar. Click on JUnit.jar. So now you can see different versions of JUnit.jar. As now we are downloading 4.12, go to 4.12 and download the jar. Okay, now go to hamcrushcore.jar. You can see multiple download options, but just download jar. 1.3 version. So this is how you install JUnit in your Eclipse and run a JUnit test.